Guten Tag and welcome to our expedition and geotutorial towards creating an interactive dashboard in React Native for a mobile app. I'm Joseph, or your German guide Alexander von Humboldt, on our expedition to the world of the natives. After we set sail in La Coruña in our last episode, we now make a stop by in Santa Cruz before we enter natives land. We use the time here to do some preparation for our trip to the natives land, so let's go and create our development environment. First, we need a way to communicate with the natives. For this, we are using an IDE, an integrated development environment, to put all our code inside. I am using Visual Studio and I can only recommend using the two because I use it and many others also do. Just go to their website and download the latest version that fits your computer's requirements and follow the installation instructions. But this only established us the ability to talk to the natives, not understanding them. We may be already fluent in languages like JavaScript, CSS, HTML, but the natives using a total different set of languages. Exotic languages like Java or Swift. So what we need on our journey is a translator who can help us communicate with the natives. React Native to the rescue. React Native is a framework that uses the React library to create mobile apps using JavaScript. And it's probably the best choice for you if you have already some experience in web development. So it's more easier for you to create a mobile app with React Native. Even though this tutorial will not provide you with in-depth explanation of how React Native works, I will still try to give you an overview of the main concepts throughout this course, and especially explain you then the important parts for our own use case of creating a data visualization and a map. But if you want to dive deeper in this material, and I can only endorse you to do it if you want to know more about React Native, I can highly recommend the tutorial by Max and his Academind platform. I got my knowledge from him too, and it's very fun to follow him, and he explained everything in much detail, so as I said, I can only recommend it. You can find the link to his extensive tutorial in the video descriptions. But actually there is another step for us to make our lives even more easier, and this is the platform called Expo. This Expo is a framework also on top of React Native, and it will help us to create mobile apps within a blink of an eye. You can find a complete guide on how to establish an Expo app on the website of Expo. Just follow the instructions there and you should be finished with the setup within 20 or 30 minutes. The important parts for our tutorial to know and to set up on your machine are actually three. First, you should have Node.js and Expo installed on your machine. Second, you should be able to initialize an Expo project. And third, you should be able to run the app on two different environments, one on your own phone using the Expo client app and the QR code of the project, and on emulator for Android Studio, for example, or for iOS. If you run into issues for setting up Expo and all the other parts, you can leave a comment on the bottom here and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Or, probably even better, you can try to find YouTube videos which explain you in detail how to set up an Expo app. There are many of them. I can recommend you the tutorial from Programming with Mosh. I put the link into the video description. He explains everything pretty detailedly, so you can go through there, or you use the forum of Expo and ask people there to help you. Once you finish the setup, we can actually start to take our first step into natives land. So come and follow me to our next stop on our adventurous expedition. Just one more thing. I really like to create content like this. So if you enjoy this too and you want to see this in the future as well, then please subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any episode. You can also find an overview, of course a map, of all the geotutorials and episodes on my website, geodeck.net/geotutorials. So make sure to check it out too. See you next time. Tschüssikowski.